In this video, I will show you how to make two powerful hair oils. Bhringraj hair oil for reducing hair fall and boosting growth, and Rosemary hair oil for improving scalp health and strengthening your hair. Both are packed with natural goodness and super easy to make at home. So let's get started. So now let's see how to make rosemary hair oil for hair growth. Rosemary oil is known for its amazing benefits including promoting hair growth, reducing dandruff and giving your hair a healthy shine. Take a pan, add 50 ml of coconut oil. Add 3 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Keep the flame in medium. Stir it well to ensure the leaves are fully submerged in the oil. Within 3 minutes, the oil turns golden yellow in color. This is the time to turn off the stove. Strain the liquid. Transfer it to a glass container for storage purposes. Now the rosemary oil for hair growth is ready. For application, section your hair. Dip a cotton ball into the oil and gently press it to release the oil. Cover your entire scalp with the rosemary oil. Pour the remaining oil onto your palms. Rub it between your palms and spread it on the hair length. Make sure to cover from root to tip. Put a bun and leave it for at least an hour before washing. You can also leave it overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. In this video, we are going to prepare Bhringraj hair oil for hair growth and to stop hair thinning and hair fall. For the ingredients, you will need Bhringraj leaves, 3 to 4 gooseberries finely chopped, handful of curry leaves and some fenugreek seeds. Take a mixer, put in the Bhringraj, Amla and curry leaves. Bhringraj oil helps foster hair follicles. It is a natural therapy for preventing hair loss. This herb contains important nutrients that fulfill the deficiency of minerals that leads to uncontrollable hair loss, hence promoting hair growth. Bhringraj oil helps in maintaining the natural color of your hair. It can help in treating baldness if used regularly. Bhringraj contains haritaki, which helps in lending your hair color black and stop premature graying of hair. Regular usage of Bhringraj oil in your hair helps in discoloration of hair. It is known to improve the hair quality and also get rid of split ends. Bhringraj works as an anti-inflammatory agent on the scalp that works to remove smelly or itchy scalp. Moreover, it is also antifungal in nature, something that would work perfectly when dealing with dandruff. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotene and proteins, which can reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. They also contain amino acids and antioxidants, which strengthens the hair follicles and moisture the scalp. Curry leaves also helps to remove dead hair follicles, which can be the reason behind dandruff. It is also rich in antioxidants that moisturize the scalp. Amla strengthens the scalp and hair. It reduces premature pigment loss from hair and reduces premature graying. It stimulates hair growth and reduces hair loss. It prevents and treats dandruff and dry scalp. It also keeps lice at bay. Grind it to a coarse paste. This is what you get. Now take a pan, add in the coconut oil. I am using Patanjali 200 ml coconut oil. Switch on the stove. Always keep the flame in medium throughout the process. Add the mixture to the oil. Stir it well. Let the oil cook for 10 minutes. After that, add few fenugreek seeds. Stir well and switch off the stove. Close it and leave it overnight. The next morning, filter the oil using a cloth. Now your homemade herbal natural hair oil is ready to use. Apply this oil onto your scalp and hair. Let the oil sit on for 1 hour. After that, wash your hair with shampoo or shikakai. Towel dry the hair. Do not use blow dryer. Let the hair dry naturally. Use this oil twice in a week to get rid of hair fall and for hair growth. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these nourishing hair oils at home. Whether you're looking to reduce hair fall with rosemary hair oil or to boost your scalp health with the Bhringraj hair oil, these DIY recipes are perfect for pampering your hair naturally. If you try these hair oils, let me know how it worked for you. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until next time, take care. Bye.